Okay, so let's do another example for the same thing. So in this case now, they say find the range of values of k. Find the range of k when there is two distinct real roots. So it's not like this first question where you have one double real root. Okay, because in one double real root, the discriminant is equal to 0. But when do we have two distinct real roots? So if you look at the toy again, it is when the discriminant is bigger than 0. So when the discriminant is positive. So you should write that down, when the discriminant is positive. So in this case, we are actually doing a inequality, okay? But the mathematics is still the same. It's still the b squared minus 4ac. It's just that instead of equal to 0, this is greater than 0. And again, I'm gonna make those brackets so I'm not missing out any positive or negative signs. A is k, b is the second term, -2, and the c is the constant term, which is a -1. So if you're gonna put them in as it is, I would place them like so. Okay, and again, -2 square is -2 times -2, which is 4, and 4 times -1 is -4. -4 times k is -4k, but make sure there's a negative sign as well. So actually, what would you have done is -4 times -1, which makes it positive. So overall, this will be positive. So positive 4k, and it's greater than 0. And again, the same thing, because k is already positive, I would have moved the 4 over to make it -4. And finally, I will divide the 4 from the 4k to the other side. And therefore, I have a final answer of -1. So k is a number bigger than -1. That's why you will see in the question, they will say it's a range where you have find a value when it was equal. So when you see the word range, it already gives you a hint that this will be one of those bigger than or smaller than cases in those three types of discriminant is bigger than 0, discriminant is 0, and the third one that I haven't done is that when the discriminant is less than 0. So when you will be asked when there is no real roots, then we will use that the discriminant is less than 0. That's the third case. Okay, so hopefully with these examples, now you can do the extra questions that were on this worksheets that you are gonna be given. Okay, thank you.